Hello and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel contains content that is intended to share paper crafting tutorials and inspiration with all of you. I hope that you enjoy. Today's video, I'm sharing an unboxing from the Diamond Art Club. This is the Panda Valley Diamond Art Painting. This is a gigantic diamond art painting that the company Diamond Art sent to me to unbox and share with all of you. So let's get to opening up this box and see what's inside. If you're unfamiliar with diamond art painting, it's basically a paint by numbers, but we're not actually painting. You're going to use beautiful shiny gemstones and you're going to place them on top of a sticky mat to create the image in the photo. This box comes with this big, huge painting and a little toolkit. Let's open up the toolkit and see what's inside. So we've got a bunch of stuff. I have never done a diamond art painting before in my life, and my mother really enjoys them, so she was really excited to collaborate with this company. So you have a little bead tray here and a bunch of little things, and we'll get into each of those things in just a moment. So first up, we have a diamond art tool. So this has a little rubber foam on the end that we can slip on. It's so that you can hold on to it and grip your little tool to place your diamonds. We've also got some washi tape, and we have some little diamond placers that go on the tip of our little tool here. We have some tweezers, some little Ziploc bags, and an image of what the diamond art painting should look like. All right, so I'm going to just put all of these aside and we'll go over the tools in just a minute. I'm going to open up the painting and see what's inside of it. So this is on a heavy canvas. According to my mother, this is a high quality product. My mom has done many diamond paintings, very small and cheap ones that you can get from Amazon. I suggest that if you're interested in diamond art painting, to start with something small so that you can get the idea, but is very relaxing and really fun to do. Here are all of the beads that come with this painting, and they're each labeled and numbered so that you know which color to use. When we open up the painting, we'll take a look at that. So there are tons and tons of colors for this Panda Valley painting. Okay, so we'll just set these aside here for a minute. There's a lot of beads here. It's kind of overwhelming if you've never done this before. For my mother, she was very excited to see all these beads. So we're going to unravel the canvas here, and this is a really high quality, soft, velvety canvas. And here is the picture. It is just huge. And in the bottom corner of the screen here, this is the picture of what it's supposed to look like when it's done. This canvas is kind of like sticky. It's got like a film over top of it so that when you're working on an area, you kind of peel the film back so that you can stick your beads on top of. And if you look really closely, they're numbered. Each section has a little number, and there's a legend on the side that tells you the color bead that you'll need for each section. And then it also comes with these little stickers that you can place on your little Ziploc bags once you open up the package. So here are the little Ziploc bags that you get here, and once you open up your package and you use the ones that you want to use, you're going to have to come back to them later because this painting is so big, you can't finish all of the colors in each little pouch all at once. And of course, you have lots of extras in case you drop them or, for any reason, there's extra little dots. So let's open up one of these little packages of gems, and we're going to dump them into the little tray here. This tray has little grooves inside of it so that when you kind of shake the tray, the beads kind of line up into little rows so that they're easy to pick up. So that's kind of really cool. It helps you so you don't have to kind of fuss around with the bead. And there's a little stopper here that you can plug into the top of the tray so that nothing slides out. I wasn't quite sure what this was at first. I thought maybe I'm doing something wrong, but this is exactly what it's for. You just pop it in the little top there and it stops the beads from pouring out. And when you're ready to put them back, you just remove the little stopper and funnel everything back in. So here we are shaking the beads to get them to line up straight, and you'll see the little tracks inside of the tray that kind of grab onto those beads and set them straight. And then you don't have to worry about the beads twisting or turning around. You can pick them up just like that. And here's a close-up look at those beads. Okay, and then we're going to take the tool. Now there are these little red sort of clay looking things, and so we're just going to take one of these out. These are heart-shaped, which is really super cute and fun. We've got a little tip there that you can push into the clay to pick up some of that red stuff, and it's kind of the sticky stuff that hangs onto the beads. So we're just going to pop that in, cover up that clay, and put it all back in the container. I don't want it to dry out. I'm not sure if it will dry out, but I'm assuming that's why there's a little container with a lid. Okay, so now we've got these beads and a little clay tip, and now we'll be able to pick up the little gem using that sticky stuff and then place it down on the diamond art painting. So on the legend here, it's going to tell me where these beads are going to go. So this particular bead is number 8. And on my diamond art painting, I'm going to peel back that film and find the number 8. And I'm just going to pop these little gems into that section. So I'm just going to pick one up, pop it into the number 8, and so on. It's very methodical and it's actually relaxing. I was expecting it to be stressful because it kind of felt tedious at first, but once I started to get going, I really enjoyed, just picking up the little beads, popping it down, and watching the artwork come to life. It was really, really fun. So I'm just placing a couple of those beads down there, and you want to press firmly into the little sticky. You kind of hear it almost like pop. And then once those are laid down, here we go. Here's a look at what I've got so far. I've just got a couple of those beads popped into place. And then you just keep working around it, and this painting becomes so shimmery and shiny and absolutely beautiful. The quality is phenomenal. It's a wonderful project, and you feel like you've completed something extra special. So once that's done here, I'm going to funnel these little beads back into one of the little Ziploc baggies that come with it. And I'll just make sure everything goes back into the little container. I don't want to lose any of my beads. I got a little bit of static action going on, so I'm just going to stick my finger in there and push those little pieces down. And then I'm going to go to the little legend with the labels, and I'm going to grab the number 8 or 783. That's the number that we're looking for. So number 783, and just kind of grab that sticker and stick it down on top of the beads. Later on, when I need this color again, I'll have the label and I'll be able to find it easily. Okay, so the only other thing I want to show you is the extra tools here. This is so that you could pick up 4 or 5 of the same color. I think actually it's 3 and 5. So you just add those to the end of your tool. You press that tip into the clay and pick up your little pink clay there, and then you'll be able to pick up 5 beads at once. So it goes quicker when you're doing larger amounts of the same color. So there's a little magnet. I have never figured out what this is for. I think it's really cool and sparkly and kind of fun. The tweezers, again, this is so you can pick up small little pieces. I'm not sure if I'm going to need those. And then washi tape, of course, if you want to, instead of transferring the bags over to the little Ziploc bags, you can cut open the little plastic gem bags and use the washi tape to close that back up. So I've got some progress photos of the diamond art painting as it progressed along. Now, as I mentioned, my mother was super excited to complete this painting. I did not complete this painting. She did it herself. My mom is at home watching the kids for the summer, and she's retired and totally loved this project. She finished this entire painting in 3 weeks and is looking for more. So Diamond Art Club, if you liked this content, send my mother some more paintings, please. If you're interested in the Diamond Art Club painting, check out my link down below where you can receive a discount on your purchase if you decide to buy a diamond art painting and try it out. My mom was so excited to finish this, and we're going to frame it and hang it in my living room. It's so sparkly and beautiful, and I'm just in love. The quality of the diamond art painting is phenomenal. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, like, and subscribe to my channel. I've got tons of crafty inspiration to share with you for card making, paper crafts, and so much more. Have yourself a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!